So students, let's start a video on number system. Number system, when we talk about the number system, then the system related to number is known as number system. Clear? For example, we have the definition of some basic number. First is natural number. Naturally, the number that we have, natural number. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, that numbers are considered as natural number. Second definition in number system is whole number. Whole number, whole means to say the number start from 0 up to infinity are considered as whole number. If next we say, then next definition is of integers. Integers seems to be the complete scale. The negative and positive scales are considered as integers. Integers are what? From minus infinity to infinity. And integers can never be in fractions. Integers would be the numbers. It would never be in fractions. Clear? So, and the next that is in our syllabus, that is rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, so let's start the rational numbers. Whatever the properties we would discuss about the rational number, opposite properties would be of irrational number. So the properties of rational numbers, if we discuss, then there are two properties that basically we need to check one by one. So the first basic property is that the number should be in P by Q form. That the number should be in P by Q form, where Q should not be equals to 0. Q should not be equals to 0. Clear? That means if Q would be equals to 0, then that would be P by 0. That would be infinity. And infinity is not be considered in rational numbers. Clear? The first definition is P by Q form में होना चाहिए. Q should not be equals to 0. And second property has two parts. Second property has two parts. First part is, if we solve this P by Q form, this rational numbers, if P by Q form we solve, then whatever the solution we get, that should be terminated. Terminated means to say what? There must be no remainder left when we solve the P by Q form or the division. For example, 10 by 5, its result is 2. It's a terminated number. For example, 11 by 2, its result is 5.5. That means it is terminated. That means in general language, if we say terminated, meaning means to say, if we are solving the division, then the quotient must be ended up. There must not be any remainder to get the next quotient values, whatever before decimal or after decimal. Next is, if this P by Q is non-terminating. If we get the given data in P by Q form, where Q is not equals to 0 and data is the result of P by Q or solution of P by Q is terminated, then we directly say that it is a rational number. Now see, if we get that P by Q is not terminated, that means non-terminating. So that must be repeated or recurring. That must be recurring. Recurring means to say here repeating. For example, 10 by 3. that means 3.333, and 3 would be goes on till infinity, because every time we would get 1 as a remainder. Clear? So it is known as repeating. 3 is the recurring value, so we would write it like that, 3.3 bar. Bar shows the repeating numbers. Clear? So second, what we can check that if P by Q, the given data is in P by Q form and Q is not equals to 0, and if we solve that division P by Q, then we should get the terminated value. If not, then the value should be terminated and recurring, then only that would be the rational number. Now third condition is when the value is given to you in root n form. When the value given to you is in root n form. Root n form means to say what? Root n. That means, for example, root 2 asks to you that root 2 is rational or irrational. Root 4 rational or irrational. Root 9 rational or irrational. See, root n means to say it is already in P by Q form. I can write that now, root n divided by 1. It is in P by Q form. In this condition, what we check, root n should give the perfect square root. Means to say what? For example, root 4 has the perfect square root 2, so it is rational. Root 2 is not giving you the perfect square root, that's why it is irrational. So these are the conditions and properties of rational or irrational number. Out of these properties not fulfilling, then that would be the irrational number. We have already studied natural number, whole number, integers, rational and irrational number. You can verify the numbers by applying these three properties. This is the one video on number system. So stay tuned and subscribe and like the video so that you can get the next n number of video. In next video we would discuss about to find out the n numbers between two rational numbers, or to calculate n numbers between two rational numbers. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and like the video.